Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to record depreciation in QuickBooks Online. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and open your company. Click the gear icon, go to Chart of Accounts, then click New. Create an expense account called Depreciation Expense. Then create another account with account type set to Fixed Assets and name it Accumulated Depreciation. Click Save and Close for both accounts. Click the plus New button, then select Journal Entry. In the journal entry, debit depreciation expense and credit accumulated depreciation. Enter the depreciation amount. Click Save and Close. Go to your reports or chart of accounts to confirm that the expense is recorded and the asset value is reduced. And that's it. You've successfully recorded depreciation in QuickBooks Online.